Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you how happy I've been with my purchase of the Tommy Hilfiger Lexington upright hard suitcase. It's 21 inches, perfect size for carry-on, and it's really served me well on a few trips already. I'm really thrilled with it. So I really love this bag. It's the perfect carry-on size. I have used this bag on multiple plane rides, a cruise, lots of weekends away, and I love the fact that it has 4 solid wheels. So it's the perfect spinner. I also love that it has a split case design. So basically the one side is fully lined and it's got this tear-resistant interior, and the other side has the compression straps. So it really helps to keep my things secure. It's also got the strong locking handle that will lock in place at several heights. And so I'm able to put like my purse over the top of it and use it when I'm wheeling it through an airport. It's also got a durable exterior. So it's kind of got this cool texture that I find really attractive, but it's also really practical because it's super scratch resistant, it's dent resistant. And personally, I like the blue color because I find that it stands out from gray or black bags. So on those off times where you do need to check your bag, you're able to have it stand out from all the other bags. So that to me is the reason why I was sold on this bag. I haven't been disappointed. It's been really just such a great carry-on size, but just such a great travel bag, period, to have. And that's my point of view.